Hi, in this video let me show you how to input paper in your Epson EcoTank ET-3950 printer. Step number one is to open this lower panel. There's a gap on the side where you can put your finger to lower it. Then we need to take the drawer that is inside and pull it towards yourself. There is these two plastic guides. You'll need to pinch this blue one and push it to the extremity. Okay, just like that. Now take your stack of paper. Here is some US letter size, and you're gonna glide it, okay, till the end, like that. If you're gonna print on glossy paper, and one side of the paper will be glossy and the other one will be matte. Obviously you want to print on glossy. You're going to put the glossy side facing down. So not facing you, facing down. But here is just some plain paper, so it doesn't matter. At the end, push back this drawer, put back the panel. And right now I'm setting up this printer, but if in the future you're loading paper, it will ask you, okay, to confirm the size and type of paper every time you load new paper. Overall, this is it. Check my Amazon links in the description down below. I'll put links towards glossy photo paper for this printer, plain paper, and many other accessories, including ink that is compatible with this model. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.